All right, that was a little clumsy for round one. I'm gonna take a 1 minute break and get going again here shortly, but feeling pretty strong. All right, it's the end of round two. Feeling a little more confident with the movements. Take another little break, finish off round three. All right, guys, that's round three complete. Pretty solid workout. I got it from Chandler Marchman's YouTube channel. I'll put the link of the video in the description below. Definitely check it out, dude. It's pretty stout. I think I'm gonna check out some of his other workouts, because what I don't want to do is lose a ton of weight and compromise body composition, meaning muscle mass. I know something I used to say all the time to my friends in CrossFit is you can't get small and big at the same time, but I think you could strike a balance between losing weight and trying to stave off losing muscle. So you know, let the muscles feed and get that better body. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm almost 40 next week, guys. It's amazing to think that we've been at it for this long. This is episode 21. The burpees are going great. I've been running a lot more, so things are starting to happen at a faster rate, and I think it's great. Definitely diet has improved these last few weeks. I'm not sacrificing. I'm not feeling like I'm starving. I'm just being mindful of my portions and what's in those portions. So, you know, less unhealthy foods. For me, the starchy carbs are the killer. So I try to limit those, but plenty of protein, plenty of fruits and veggies. Thanks again for tuning in to Human Bulldog. Glad to get back at it with a little bit different workout. I hope to be graduating to a little bit more intense mace workouts. The workout I did today was with an 8-pound sledgehammer. The mace that I have is 15 pounds, and it's a considerable difference. I recommend that you start very light, because these are some complex movements and you don't want to hurt yourself before you even get off the ground. Little by little. I mean, that's been the name of the game the whole time. You know, I haven't cut a ton of weight, but I've cut enough for it to be noticeable and for it to reap the positive benefits that I've been looking for. So keep at it. Tune in next week for a very special edition of Human Bulldog. I will be 40, and that's kind of crazy. But again, thank you guys for the support. If you have not done so, please like and subscribe. This is just a beginning for me. With every week, I get more excited about showing you guys that there is no magic formula. Just got to do the work and eat right. I'll see you next time.